Hello artists! Today I want to share with you this book that I just got. I've only had a chance to flip through it. I wanted to share this with you. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Irit. I'm an intuitive, color-led artist based in Austria and Europe, and on my channel I share my artsy adventures. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more art book reviews, then please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And of course, I invite you to subscribe. Also, before I get into the book, I have a new course. It's called The Rainbow Method, and it's all about the strategies to help you create art you love with ease and joy without overwhelm or artist block. For the month of February, it is available for an introductory price with a huge discount. So if you're interested, there'll be a link below and you can check out all the details. So this book is called Start Painting Now. It is by Emily Powell and Sarah Moore, which, as I understand, are sisters. It's called Discover Your Artistic Potential. It has a hard bind, like a hard cover, which I really like. There's something, that feels quite luxurious. And I've only discovered Emily Powell very, very recently. She was mentioned several times in Sandy Hester's videos. I love Sandy Hester's channel. So inspiring, so much fun. And she mentioned quite a few times. So I went over to her website and I also actually got one of her workshops. You can buy like a recording. It's like a 1-hour workshop and it costs £25. So I thought it would be fun to try and see. I haven't watched it yet, but as you may have gathered, I mentioned I'm a color-led artist and I stand behind that, and that is of course what drew me to her artwork, because she has a wonderful color sense that speaks to me. It's exactly the colors that I love, lots of pinks and like bright pinks, turquoises, really my jam. So let me show you the book. So there are, as you can see, 4 parts: where to start, start now, stretch yourself, next steps. And it just kind of goes through themes, I think, of inspiration and also kind of feeling brave to call yourself an artist. So at the beginning, there's a little bit about supplies. I really appreciate it. It's short and to the point, and it doesn't give you insufficient feeling and have to go buy now all the things to be able to follow. So I really appreciate that. They also have in this book, I probably won't flip through the whole book, but just to give you an idea, talks about mindset with, of course, lots of gorgeous pictures of their artwork. And I definitely am more, they're both lovely artists, but this is, for example, by Emily Powell, and this is from Sarah Moore, and I'm definitely more into this kind of messier style. Of course, it's personal preference. So they give, I guess, both of their perspectives. And then they're also talking about this they call sabotaging scorpions, but of course, sabotaging yourself and like negative thoughts and all those things. There are also highlights of artists, different artists throughout the book, and then sections about what we can learn from these people, and then their reactions to those artist stories. And yes, I love all this. Hot pink, love it. So it talks about mark making. So there are a few kind of step-by-step prompts, but it's a little bit more general, which personally I appreciate. I don't like it when it's like exactly step-by-step. This is, I think, about the whole experience of being an artist, as opposed to something like, learn how to paint landscapes with watercolors, which, there's absolutely a place for those books, but these I feel are just a lot more inspiring to me, especially as someone who wants to create authentic art and not just like follow step by step with specific instructions. See, and there's also some more like prompts. Breaking the rules, I love that. I'm all about breaking the rules. Instinctive creativity, escaping the box. Another artist highlight. Oh, and I guess the art is in response. Yeah. Okay, I think She looks at the artist's work and then she creates her inspiration pieces, so that's fun. Definitely something you could do on your own with artists you love. I have, for example, a book from Matisse. I love Matisse. Matisse is like one of my favorite artists, again, because of his use of color. So I should maybe try and do this. Again, all kinds of prompts, good close-ups. Now we are in section part 2, start now, inspiration, no more excuses, procrastination. Yeah, we all know that. I haven't read it all, but I'm excited to go through it. Okay, this is interesting. Cool. Okay, and then inspiration. I really like how this book is very colorful, and I feel like you could just, you know, open a random page and kind of dig in. I love this. This is cool. I've actually been doing this also, and I actually show exactly how to do a little sketchbook in the course. It's just like one of the bonuses. It's super, super easy. You can probably also find tutorials on YouTube, but how you can create cute little sketchbooks from just like larger pieces of paper. Tell your story, definitely all about that. So, oh, love these little boats, super cute things. Tiger. She has, I think tiger is a repeating subject in her work. Go big, go inside, go outside, stretch yourself. Absolutely. This is also something that we do in the course. We paint on a large canvas and it is so much easier than you think. But I would love to paint like really big. That's definitely in my future. Go big. Really fun stuff. Home comforts. I just love her. Yeah, her use of color is fantastic. Then some more artists, inspiration, go outside. Give you a kit list, so that could be fun if you feel kind of overwhelmed and you don't know what to take, which is me. I just don't feel comfortable painting outside. And then next steps, stronger together, creative experience. Talking about exhibiting your work. Again, this is something I have sold a few pieces on my website, but I think this is something I would like to do just because I'm painting more and I wouldn't mind hanging it all in my house, but I just want to paint more and be able to, you know, share it with people and have my work in their homes. That would be amazing. Okay, so I think you can see it's kind of an overall book about having fun and starting to paint and everything that encompasses, like all our fears and objections and procrastination and all these things, filled with inspiration, a few prompts. So a little bit of everything, kind of an interesting concept of a book, which I can relate to. So I think this is more about, you know, mindset and creativity in general and less about painting a specific thing. So I wanted to share this with you. Check out Emily Powell's website also if you're interested in one of the her workshops. This is not sponsored. I don't know her, and I just love to share artists that inspire me and love sending people their way so they can also benefit from this creative community. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye bye.